Hey yo, we back again, Mahua, Batwaba children. We back again. It's tribalteenspodcast hosted by me, Dante Masweza. You know that when I show up, I must be with another learner that you might not know, but then at the end of the episode, you'll know him or her. Today I have my friend slash friend debating. Yeah, you all might not know her, but you know her. I have Karen. How are you, Jim?
I'm good, and you?
Good. How have you been holding up?
I've been holding up good.
How are the exams treating you?
Yeah, it is hard. But yeah.
You still studying?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
Yeah, I do.
Then, and what's the most studying way that you are using?
I just study like normal people do. I don't know. Yeah.
So outside that.
Yeah.
So can you please tell us more about yourself?
Yeah, like I'm confident. Yes, Papela. Yeah, that's all.
So for some who might not know where to get you, where do you find Karen? On social networks, platforms?
On Facebook, I'm Swařt Perel.
Yeah, what's behind that name?
Yeah,
Is
Swařt Perel. It's like black pearl in Afrikaans.
Oh.
So which like I wished that I was black in color. Yeah, like
Because it has a dark beauty.
Yeah.
So why dark beauty?
I don't know. I just like black.
Right. So you are Swařt Perel on Facebook. Are you on Instagram?
No, not yet.
Not yet. So who might not know you? Where did you grow up?
I'm Jews.
Josie. Okay. Being raised by a single mother or?
Single mother.
Shout out to all the single mothers out there, because we all are being raised by single mothers. Shout out. How was growing in Jersey?
Hectic. Yeah.
Summarize there's Shula, there's Gala.
Begumnandi, like, it's normal. But then I find that like us.
I found that because when are you in Jews?
Yeah, I'm in Jews. The real world.
The real world?
Yes.
What is that? Now I'm getting interested. Why are you saying the real world?
Like, Ikas.
Yeah.
Song is trying to like, it's just a place, right? But then it was, like, yenzeka khona ubugebengu, ubona umuntu afela phambi kwakho and stuff. So that's why I call it the real world.
Where things are unfiltered. So you grew up in Jersey, started primary there, or?
Yeah, I started my primary in Betrams Junior.
So what's the most special experience that you had while growing up?
Njengoba mina ngikhulele single mother, like I had everything. Being a fan of like I don't have a father and I don't have this. Like umama mbekazama, it's like everything I get.
Sure. And they all do.
Yeah.
They all do. I feel like there must be a date in calendar whereby we are celebrating single mothers.
Yeah, I wish. Yeah.
Because like those women are carrying a lot.
At least Mother's Day.
Mother's Day. Ngapha phela siyastoda, ubamba i-one magreza. But with all that has been said, we love you, mothers. We love you. Like, we are doing it for you. So you went to primary where again?
Betrams Junior.
Betrams Junior. You never know.
Yeah, it's like mixed.
Mixed.
Yeah, it's in Betrams.
So what made you come to Katrina?
My mother was getting married. Yeah.
So you had to
So, Miss Mary was like, Jews and then this is like, yeah.
How was it?
Oh, hectic, yo.
You should be enjoying it when it's hectic.
Drama, hectic, yo.
Like,
Yo. Yeah.
How old were you when your mother was getting married?
I think I was 11. Yeah.
Bones were this
Yeah.
one hectic. Bones
Yeah.
was born. So after primary you went to Alafang.
Yeah.
What made you come to our school?
Alafang was not my plan, actually. I didn't plan to come here.
Yeah.
I registered for Fumana and Letutula and Technical.
Okay.
So in technical and then in letters but then in technical we went to my exam. I was scared.
Oh, yeah.
And like Mama made us so bored at that time. So I'm very baptism.
Do you regret it?
Sometimes, but it's a nice school.
It's a nice school.
Yeah.
It's a nice school.
School is school.
Yeah, school is school. It's a nice school. You make school to be nice.
Yeah.
Not like school is. So how was your first day at Alafang? I'm putting my school on the map. You all must know Alafang. How was your first day?
Like I was shy. Like Nkumbula no was like the first day. First week. Then go to mask. Then I no keep. Being shy, yeah.
Oh, I'm so glad. Yo. So what later adjust and then you were fine.
Yeah.
So being in high school and being in high school and being a girl, what's the most challenging you have ever faced?
Drugs.
Drugs. How did you feel being exposed to drugs?
I mean, like, I'm not exposed to drugs.
Yeah.
But then I see, like, like Alafang, there's something, like, about drugs in this.
We have a Jamaica
Yeah.
actually. That's the problem of facing drugs. Drugs are killing our schools, killing our teenagers. So, speaking about killing, what do you have to say to suicidal kids?
I do have some friends, like,
Yeah.
so like into ngibona ukuthi like kumele simamele abangani bethu kakhulu.
Yeah.
We mustn't ignore because ignoring is dangerous.
To parents who are teen.
Abazali like abangani, especially like abantwana abangani.
Yeah.
So I actually advise that like kube umngani kumntanakho. Like umbuze ukuthi khamba nempilo yakhe.
The reason I'm bringing this topic up because of I've been interviewing girls, no? Most of them, they say that they had a little of thinking about suicidal thoughts. And I think now it's being popular. And then now we're losing every learner every week. It's hard because like I feel for the mothers, especially the single mothers. I feel for them. When have you thought about it? Suicide,
No.
today.
Yo, ngiyathanda no.
Life is good.
Never.
Life is good.
Never.
And to those families who lost their child through suicide, we are crying with you. We are not alone. Unless you're flower, you heal one day. So, getting out of that, you see that says my emotional mind. When did you start debating?
Debate. My first grade. I think 2019.
2019,
Yeah.
which was
Grade
8.
8.
Yeah, grade 8.
Yeah.
What made you go to join debate? Because like now it's your second year, ne?
Yeah, mara like being up now it's in the debate. Into the debate is that I thought we would debate quiz.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because ngikhumbula kahle the time uLwando angene classini yethu
The
azobhalisa
most dangerous man. Just by looking at him.
yeah. Ngikhumbula uLwando angena like eclassini azobhalisa abantwana be-debate. So I thought that it was quiz.
Yeah.
I was the first person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then how did it feel? Why did you go?
Because like mom and they thought that you and Phyllis did it.
Okay.
into.
Because like Baba Nogo taking too much.
Yeah, so the time like it debate the way they attend that corner, the third time bengena mara but then like ukuthi bangaboni. Bengithanda ukuthi ngiyo attend but then.
Because like ngeke waza nabantwana bakhe. Then manje WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Wangena ne-family nje. But utholile imedal yakho?
Nope.
Because utholile ama-medal ke.
Yeah, angitholanga because bengiquitile futhi. Yeah.
Since ungenile emhlabeni we-debate, what have you seen mostly about the world?
Like impilo is about debating, guys. Everything is about debating. And like angazi ngathi mara then like i-debate ishintsha impilo yami. Like ngile ntombazane le like every time I get depressed.
Sure.
But then the suicide thought
Ayicabani. Awungafeel lapho.
Ngicabanga ukuthi like ubaba ngiyo like umuntu wangenza kahle ukuthi like akasangifuni and stuff.
I'm sure we all relate.
Yeah, akasangifuni and stuff. So it debate like every time I'm in debate and then I speak up like I feel
Ngikhiphe le nto leya
Yeah.
isila. It really helped you.
Yeah.
Would you advise someone to join the debate?
Yeah, join like ungasabi ngesilungu but then join.
Yeah, nathi singene kububi. Sipreacha kunjalo abantu preacha.
Yeah.
Yeah, we use ukuthi ngiphinde ipoint wena nini mara ngibeke ngendlela ephambili. So, guys, I'm not alone. I have a co-host. Maybe some questions. You might not know him because he's offset behind the scenes, but you will hear his voice. Tell man, any question that you have for us?
We'd like to ask you about your love life.
My love life. Okay, like basically ngiyajola, ngigone, yeah.
Oh God.
Yeah. But then iqale nokubheda.
What he does.
Then
So can you balance school and that life?
yeah.
And debate too.
No, again, right now she resign any talent. So it's school and John.
Yeah.
How
I
do you-
can. But then sometimes I'm cold, especially like maybe in case I'm sure. Oh, I was feeling it.
I can allow I shall go.
Yeah.
Gents, if you have a girlfriend, time management must be there. Don't be a boring boyfriend who focus more on the physical touch. You as a boyfriend, you are there to actually uplift the girlfriend. Academically so, not streetwise. Know what you want and build with that girl. To all gents who have ladies out there, you like her, so don't ruin it. And it's hard to find honest ladies out here. It's fine. So, any advice for those who are writing exams?
Yeah. Good luck, Buffet too. Yeah.
Like,
Good luck.
you're advising as a big band learner, grade 9 learner.
Soon to be grade 10.
Soon to be grade 10. Yeah, to all folks who are writing, I wish you good luck. May God be with you. Don't forget to pray. So, where do you see yourself after matric?
Matric, I would like to go to university.
Yeah.
And have a side hustle, which is fashion designing. Yeah, fashion designing, and also go to another school of beauty and salon.
So you into clothing and beauty. We wish you good luck in your future.
Thank you.
With all that has been said, I would like to close the show. Guys, whoever who's watching, please subscribe, hit the notification button so that you can be notified when I drop another video. I'm signing out. Peace.